tutorial to the channel, and today's topic is about SBERT. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna encode the sentence and find its similarity. So let's start. Import the library. Okay, so let's load up a model. Okay, and here's our sentence. I love DataScience. I enjoy machine learning. I wanna be data analyst. I love playing game. So let's encode it. Model.encode sentences. Convert to tensor equal true. Find a similarity equal dot similarity of. Let's print it out. Ooh. 1 second. Wait, what? Hello. Mini LML6. Oops, sorry. Again. Oh. Alright. Okay, so here's the result. So what does mean here? The first sentence is 100% accuracy to its own. So for comparing the first sentence to the second sentence, it have 0.4 score, and the first sentence and the third sentence have the highest score. Alright, so that's what the metrics show you, and that's all for today. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe.